you for clicking on this video. If you're a new subscriber, hit that thumbs up, hit that little bell that notifies you every time I drop another fire video. Leave some comments, let's chat or not, it's up to you. So today's video, we're gonna do yet another unboxing. I'm recently doing this new thing called Baddie on a budget. I got some more stuff. It just arrived from China. And they all came at once. I guess I bought from the same buyer. I didn't realize that. So all three items came. I got a bag, a scarf, and some earrings. And I'm definitely trying to level up and like you know, have some like classier clothes. Like I just gave away my like last hoochie dress, so like I'm really excited about this. So let's just get into it. It's all in my lap. I got a dupe of the LV earrings. I saw it on some Instagram girl and I thought that shit was so cute. I've been told it's like, it's not heavy. It's like a very lightweight and it's not bad. I think I paid like $3 or $5 for it, but I thought they'd be really cute with like hoops and all that other jazz. But I think they're pretty solid dupes for the LV hoop earrings. I do think they're a little bit smaller. I don't recall them coming in different sizes, but the real one retail for $490 and I paid a solid $4 for mine. So I'm just saying, I was not paying no $500 for no earrings. I'm sorry. Even if I was there, I couldn't even justify that. It would have to be a man buying it for me because there's no way I'm spending $500. And like from what I read on the website, it's not even like gold. It's like plated gold. And it's just like, y'all charging me $500 for the LV on my earlobes? Yo, get out of pocket. Yeah, okay. And then, like I said, I got a scarf and just an LV scarf. I didn't realize I picked the LV one. I think the scarf was like $8 or some shenanigans, but it's a really nice silk scarf. Does anyone remember back in the day, the beauty supply store used to have like knockoff scarves and stuff like that? This is what it looks like. It's pretty big. It's very long. It feels really good. I know it's not like 100% silk, but like it feels really nice. Probably wears like a with the weave or something, or like if you fasten it up around the shoulder, put it on a bag or something. Like I said, $7 or $8 when I know this retails for like at least $600 on the LV website. But I got my own little dupe. I like the original logo. Like I love the LV, this print. It's my favorite, honestly. It comes with this little Louis Vuitton purse. It says 100% silk, but it's from China. And then it even comes with a little tag. Sometimes they really be trying to make it seem like it's real, and I'm just like, that's cute for somebody else. I'm fucking around. So I do own just like one Louis Vuitton item. It's the, I was about to say the Neverfull one. It's not. It's just like the little small, the little Pochette. I have that in the original one. I got that off Fashion File. And I love it. It's such a beautiful, beautiful bag. It goes with everything. So I ended up getting this one. Ooh, it smells a little weird. Fake leather, like that fake leather smell, but I guess on the LV website it's either the pencil case or the bandolorium. I'd be forgetting what it's called. It comes with two straps. It comes with like this one and ooh, I guess if I was feeling fancy, it came with like the chain link ones, but I don't really care for the chain link ones just because they get caught in my hair, my wigs. And that's just not cute, but like I'm not mad at it. It's really pretty. I believe I paid like $15 for this little tiny bag when I know the Pochette on the website, and the Pochette is $400, or like roughly $400 I think, or $300. I'm assuming this has to be in the same ballpark because they're like more or less the same. It's really cute. I don't know, it even has like a little LV on the inside. Oh, they be faking. It comes with a little dust bag that I'll probably throw away because the real ones definitely feel better. Like they just feel sturdier. This is like that tacky ass cloth that be coming in like them cheap ass Fashion Nova shoes. It came in this clear bag. It took forever in a day to get to me, which I said I kind of understood. We're in a pandemic, so I wasn't tripping. There are no pockets in this. Inside does have like a weird smell, but like I guess once I air it out, it'll be Gucci, hopefully. But yeah, these are the 3 items that all came for this. Look how cute this is with the strap. And then yeah, kudos to them. Trying to be in all my money, so it is what it is. Okay, yeah, those are the 3 items I got in the mail. Anyway, I'll once again drop the link to the Facebook group that I'm in that has all these hidden links if you're interested. It is illegal to buy fake goods, but like if you're like a narc, don't click the link. If you're someone who's trying to get like a really good deal, that like I got you, be our little secret, me to you. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay bad, baddies. Peace.